Have you ever grabbed a bowl of fruit as a late-night snack and wondered, is this actually good for me? Some say eating fruit before bed leads to weight gain, sugar spikes, or even digestive issues, while others claim it can help you sleep better. So, what's the truth? Let's break down the myths and facts about eating fruit before bed. First, let's address some of the biggest myths. One of the most common claims is that eating fruit before bed causes weight gain. The truth? Calories are calories, whether you eat them in the morning or at night. Your body doesn't suddenly store fruit as fat just because it's after 8 p.m. Another myth? That fruit before bed causes sugar spikes and disrupts sleep. While it's true that fruit contains natural sugars, most fruits have fiber, which helps regulate blood sugar. In fact, some fruits can actually support relaxation and better sleep. Now, not all fruits are created equal when it comes to nighttime snacking. Here are some of the best options to help you wind down for a good night's sleep. Bananas. High in magnesium and potassium, which relax muscles and help with sleep. Cherries. One of the few natural sources of melatonin, the sleep hormone. Kiwis, packed with serotonin, which supports relaxation and deep sleep. But there are some fruits you might want to limit before bed. Citrus fruits, oranges, and grapefruits can cause acid reflux, making it harder to sleep. High-sugar fruits like pineapple and grapes, while healthy, they can cause a sugar rush if eaten in large amounts. So, if you love fruit at night, how can you enjoy it without the downsides? Here are a few tips. Pair fruit with protein or healthy fats. This slows digestion and prevents sugar spikes. Watch your portion size. Stick to a small serving, about 1 cup. Eat it at least 30 minutes before bed. This gives your body time to digest. So, what's the final verdict? Eating fruit before bed isn't bad for you, if you choose the right kinds and eat them in moderation. In fact, the right fruit could actually improve your sleep. So go ahead, enjoy that banana or bowl of cherries before bed. Just skip the citrus overload. Now that you know the truth, what's your favorite nighttime fruit snack? Drop it in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more science-backed food facts. Thanks for watching, and sweet dreams.